Hello beautiful people, welcome to Gennylily Creations, the jack of all trade, master of all. I created this space for creatives, those that love working with their hands, DIY lovers, as well as for those that are confused as to what business to venture into. Here I'll be teaching you how to make a variety of fashion accessories such as bridal hand fan, handbags, footwears, hair extensions, and so much more. And the best part, you can do it all yourself. Yes, even as a complete beginner. I'll be posting easy to follow DIY tutorials, and from these tutorials you'll be able to create products that you can actually sell. Whether you're just here to learn something new or even start a small business, there's something here for everyone. So if you're ready to unlock your creativity, please like, follow and share with your friends and all those you think will benefit from this, because we are just getting started and there's so much more in store. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you in my next video. Bye.